Hello, you glorious, wonderful, and fantastic people. Jan here with a quick update of what we've been doing over the past few days. Well, we launched our Kickstarter about 5-6 days ago now, and we are already past the 50% mark, which is amazing. Mikey and I celebrated by singing the traditional song, which you can join in with now if you feel like it. It goes like this. Ready? Oh, we're halfway there. Oh, Mikey spinning in a chair. Take my hand, we'll make it, I swear. Oh, sliding down the stairs, sliding down the stairs. I have a master's in the science of education. On to serious things. Let's start talking about stretch goals. We're already over halfway, which we did in the first 4 days of the Kickstarter. So the first stretch goal we want to talk about, before I talk about stretch goals, let me tell you about our philosophy with stretch goals. They should be attainable, they should be useful, and they should be something we should be able to justify. We don't want to hold back something key or fun with more money as a sort of way of baiting you to pay for it. These are all things that are going to take considerable effort or resources to put into the game or into the course, but should improve your experience. That's the word I'm searching for, experience. So if we reach £7,000, that's 7,000 British pounds sterling, we're going to unlock what we're calling co-op mode. Co-op mode is an asset repository. We're going to design and host an online web service where you can upload, share, browse, comment, get feedback on, and download other people's assets. You can upload your own, obviously. The idea would be to have a system where you could put tags on for certain types of themes. I don't know if I really want a rating system, but you could solicit feedback. And if you're building your version, your perfect version of Godot Getaway, you can get the assets, the music, the tiles, the cars, the clutter around the city that you really want. I think it's a really exciting proposition. And hopefully you agree. So that's our first stretch goal. If we reach £7,000 sterling by the end of funding, we're going to unlock that. Some other news. On Sunday, which is tomorrow as I record this, at 10 p.m. British summertime. Is it summertime? It's 10 p.m. my time, and I'm in Britain, which is, for example, on the East Coast of New York, it's 5 p.m. East Coast of New York, all of New York, really, East Coast of America. You know what? I'm just going to give you guys a link to a time zone converter. But Mikey and I are going to stream the game again. And this time we want to test if we can play the game with more than 2 people. So Ben HeartBeast Anderson, who's an amazing person, does great tutorials and has released some games for Godot, and you should definitely check out his stuff, is going to be joining us for that. So we're really excited. I also want to talk very quickly about the new things we've done this week. So the first thing that Mikey and I did is we did a proof of concept for decals on vehicles. Now, this is for a potential future stretch goal or expansion, but we were thinking, well, what if you could also design and pick decals to put over your cars, flames maybe, or speed stripes, or logos, crowns, whatever it might be, right? And we did a little bit of experimentation, and it works fine. It's absolutely doable. We can do that. I mean, the real challenge is going to be consistent UV mapping across assets, or tagging them so that each one can only work with a specific asset. But it's something that is completely possible. I added a siren to the game, a siren sound effect, a Neenor sound, and gave it a toggle on or off. It now has a gameplay element, so cops can only arrest criminals that are close enough if the siren is on. But the cop can switch the siren off, including the lights, to sneak up. So that's a thing. We've been playing with new UI elements. I did some work with vectors. I'm not very good with them. They're okay. They're not ready yet. Mikey's doing some work on them too. I suspect they're going to polish up quite a lot. We added audio and visual menus. I did that during a live stream, an impromptu one, sometime this week. I forget which day it was, but I did it. And yeah, that's, I think, everything. I'm just checking my notes. I think that's all the things we've added this week that I can think of. We might have done more. Really excited about the project so far. Really excited about the community. Don't forget, you can come join us on our Facebook group and on our Discord, ask questions, share comments, whatever it might be. Meanwhile, thank you so much for your support. It's going great, and we're really excited to get this stuff to you. So, bye.